Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chapin. Peter Chapin are negative beyond acceptance. Ergo, once that changes, Polkadot might just be in a significantly better position on the price charts. And second news, the evidence in favor of Polkadot's price action being an outlier. The market always moves in waves. And, for Polkadot, this wave has been mercilessly pushing the price lower since November. The early February rally brought hope with it. On the longer time frame charts, bulls hoped that Polkadot would be able to form an accumulation phase and break out of the downtrend. In other news, Polkadot as a network has been a big part of crypto donations to Ukraine over the past few days. DOT 12-hour chart, market uncertainty in Bitcoin's fall under the $40,000 level prompted DOT to slide beneath $24. In the week since then, Bitcoin has hauled itself back above the $40,000 to trade at $43,200 million Series C funding, which placed the overall valuation of Immutable X at $2.5 billion. Since then, its token IMX has made its investors considerably happier. IMX arrival came at a time when the crypto market began its rally only to recover later. Well, soon after marking an all-time high of $9.3, the altcoin began falling. By 6 March, it had lost almost 87.68% of its value. This affected its investors quite severely, since most of them entered the market around its launch, when the price was way above the recent bottom of $1.15. As a result of the 17.4K total investors on the chain, 99.5% of them fell into a loss. This figure has since reduced thanks to the 58.3% rally witnessed by IMX over the week. Trading at $1.8 at the time of this report, the rise in tokens value managed to save 4% of the investors from losses. New blockchains or applications before releasing them on the network. Like Polkadot, Kusama also has many pair chains. XCM is a format that describes how messages between chains should be performed. It's designed to be a common language for communicating between different consensus mechanisms, wherein all of the data on a message transfer is sent through Polkadot's or Kusama's relay chain. Doing this allows every pair chain on those networks to verify those messages, enabling XCM to expedite trusted communications between any two pair chains. By adding support for NFTs on XCM, Polkadot and Kusama have essentially created the concept of multi-chain NFTs that can live on any blockchain within their respective networks. It could pave the way for NFTs to play a far more prominent role in business transactions, with the tokens used as payment or to represent an order or something else. It will also allow NFT holders to better leverage their tokens, for example by borrowing capital from a DeFi platform on a different chain, using their NFT as collateral. Interoperable NFTs would also help to accelerate adoption, others believe. At present, the NFT landscape is quite fractured. While most are based on the Ethereum blockchain, there are many that are not. That has led to the rise of multiple NFT marketplaces for each type of token, adding confusion to the space for new users. By making it possible for NFTs to teleport onto other chains, Polkadot and Kusama will help to eliminate much of the confusion around them and accelerate adoption. And second news today about Polkadot Pairchain Parallel Finance deploys full suite of DeFi capabilities. The Polkadot and Kusama Pairchain Hub Parallel Finance made a big splash in the DeFi space today, launching no less than 6 new products in one fell swoop. The new products have been launched on Heiko Finance, which is Parallel Finance's deployment on Kusama, a public pre-product, as its whole premise is to solve the problem of a lack of interoperability among blockchains. Polkadot is an extensive network that comprises not only its main blockchain but also pair chains, of which there will eventually be 100. The pair chains all support different use cases and protocols, and run in parallel with the main Polkadot chain, with the key while also generating significant value for investors. FRPN is a decentralized system-based token, collateralized and maintained by the Metaverse Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO. The goal appears to establish itself as the Metaverse's backup currency. FRPN token, FRPN, will employ the algorithmic reserve currency algorithm to provide price stability, assisted by other decentralized assets. The goal is to utilize a user-assigned treasury to develop NFT, 3D metaverse, and VR games by investing directly in teams and organizations with a long-term vision for play-to-earn (P2E) metaverse games. This will be performed by a community vote, based on the community's majority preferences. FRPN was founded to harness the metaverse, and make it accessible to everybody. Polkadot (DOT) is a heterogeneous multi-chain network of blockchains. It is a platform for building decentralized applications. It features a relay chain and a consortium chain. The relay chain is a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain that connects other blockchains, and the consortium chain is a private blockchain that businesses and organizations can use. Polkadot (DOT) is written in Rust and uses the Substrate framework. Polkadot (DOT) is a blockchain protocol that seeks to connect different blockchains. DOT is the native token of the Polkadot (DOT) network. The Web 3.0 Foundation created the Polkadot (DOT) network, a Swiss foundation with the mission to facilitate an open source, fully functional, and user-friendly decentralized web. The Polkadot (DOT) protocol is the brainchild of Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer, and Peter Chabin. The Polkadot (DOT) network debuted in May 2020. DOT tokens were distributed through an initial coin offering, ICO, in October and November 2017, which raised over $145 million. So which one should you invest in? That depends on your needs and goals. But each of these coins has potential, so it is worth keeping an eye on them. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot (DOT) a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot (DOT) prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT